Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Python 3, Printing Variables in Strings, a tutorial. Introduction. In Python 3, incorporating variables into strings is a common and essential task. The process of embedding variables within strings is known as string formatting. There are various methods to achieve this, and in this tutorial, we'll explore different techniques along with code examples. One straightforward way to include variables in strings is by using string concatenation. This involves combining multiple strings together, including the variable values. Output. Note, we used str, age, to convert the integer variable age into a string for concatenation. Python 3.6 introduced f-strings, a concise and convenient way to embed expressions inside string literals. Output. F-strings offer a clean and readable syntax, directly embedding variable names within curly braces. Another approach involves using the dot format method for string formatting. Output. The curly braces act as placeholders for the variables, and their values are provided as arguments to the dot format method. Conclusion. In this tutorial, we explored different methods for printing variables in strings in Python 3. Whether you prefer string concatenation, f-strings, or the dot format method, Python provides multiple ways to achieve the same result. Choose the method that aligns with your coding style and project requirements. ChatGPT.